Diaphragm is the major muscles for the inspirations. It accounts around 65% of the vital capacities. So diaphragm important, especially maintaining all the lung volume and capacities. Any disease and the pathological changes, it can cause like changes of the biochemical and biomechanical to the respirations. So it consists like two fibers. One is the costal fiber and second one is the choral fibers. So costal fibers especially from the sternum and costocartilage and ribs region, and choral portion especially from the bodies of the and disc of the lumbar vertebrae from L3 to L1 to L3 regions, and also from the arcuate ligament. So it is the activities by diaphragm happens. Muscle fibers shorten here from the choral fibers, and central tendon will descend, increase the thoracic size, and also the costal fibers also will be pulled down and decrease the pleural pressure and decrease in the intrapulmonary pressure and allow the air to move from atmosphere to the lungs. So this is the changes happens during the normal respirations. Zone of apposition is maintained by the especially diaphragms and abdomens. So it is a portion of the diaphragm which closer to the inner wall of the lower rib cage. Here the costal fibers of the diaphragm run vertically, origin in close to the apposition of rib cage before curving to insert into the central tendons. How the zone of apposition maintained by the diaphragm region. So in case of like diaphragm failures, zone of apposition will be absent for the patients. Intercostal, especially like inspiratory muscles are like external intercostals. This will allow especially forward and downward. So it's very important, especially pulling the ribs, especially lower ribs, and causing the increasing the leverage to the area, and also raise the upward and the thoracic regions allows for the inspiration. Intercostal, internal intercostal, it work opposite to the external intercostal muscles. So it is allows especially the expirations and which decrease the leverage of the thoracic regions. So how the structural things happens. Second thing is like abdomen. Abdomen is very important, maintaining the zone of apposition to maintain. So the muscles are like external oblique, internal oblique, rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis. So this is influence also for the respiratory movements. Antagonistic and synergistic action of the diaphragm and abdominals. Diaphragm it contracts, pulls the central tendon, increase the vertical diameter of thorax. This will pull opposite by stretch of the mediastinal structures and the abdominal viscera. So during the mechanical changes of the abdominal relax, it allows to bulge out the abdomen anterior and superiorly during the inspiration by a synergistic actions. So the mechanism happens especially during expiration. Diaphragm relax, contract the abdominal muscles, lower down the lower thoracic vertebra, decreasing both the transverse and anterior posterior diameter of thorax, and visceral organ will be pushed back to the space and raise the central tendons. So this is the normal changes during a supine lying individual happens. So